We're living on the edge! Couple of miles into Main Street, Main Dirt Street, it turned into Smithsonian Butte. Smithsonian Butte. Yes, and you guys can actually pull over here at any part and camp for the night. It is permitted and free, and you're gonna wake up with this beautiful view, as you can see. We're gonna keep going a few more miles to get closer to Springdale before heading there tomorrow at 5 a.m. Try to access Angel Landing. We have arrived. We are at our dispersed camping location. Again, free, no charge. Let me show you guys around. That is actually the main road over there, what's called Main. There was a thunder. You can see it is raining today. Usually I will drive down and find even more private location, but there's absolutely nobody here. The road condition doesn't seem that amazing to me here. And again, if it would rain hard, it would be a bloody mess. So we'll stay where we are for the night. Did you hear that? And here you go. This is the weather report. Rain and thunderstorms. Some folks, I guess, already checked it out, and that's why there's absolutely nobody here in the Smithsonian Butte camp area. It's a BLM land, so it's all free. Only 9 miles from Springdale, where we're going to access Zion Park tomorrow. And see the lightning in the sky. Here is Betsy over here. And hopefully this road is not going to turn into a bloody lake. But hey, I absolutely love it. I take it over the Hilton Plaza every given day. Here we go. Wire Meza trailhead. Here we come. As soon we enter the Wire Meza trail, to our right we encounter this beautiful canyon. As you can see, pretty cool. And we're gonna move up the road. So we are on the Wire Meza trail, probably just about half a mile from the road. As you can see, beautiful location for a picnic. You notice how hard I'm holding that boulder. I don't do so well with heights, but this is absolutely beautiful. A lot of cool cactuses, a lot of nice rocks if you're into rock collecting. Yeah, it's a beautiful 65-degree weather, a little bit of drizzle, my favorite. Thank you for watching Travel with Tal, the Nomad Experience. If you find my videos helpful, please subscribe and get out there. The world is waiting.